Hello everyone, welcome back to another coin collecting video, and today I'm going to be unbagging this grab bag of coins. So, got this off eBay as usual, and this is a grab bag of just 38 coins, nothing too crazy, but I wanted it in an auction for like an insanely low price, so let's just move this to the side. I drop them all. I said all. I don't know why. I only dropped the nickels, or some of the nickels, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the gosh, what are these called? The holders. My brain went blank for a second. Let's go ahead and do all the holders, and then we will get to the ones inside of these. Okay, so first off, right off the bat, we have a 1923. I don't know why they always put P. I mean, I guess it is from Philadelphia, but it's always weird because it's like, oh, there's a P on it. No, there's not. It's just a blank date. So yeah, 1923. Nice wheat cent on the back. Let's put this right here. I wonder if I can zoom in, if it would be fine. Let me switch things up here, guys, really quick. Let me see if is this. I feel like that's way better. Okay. Plus, it'll help us do the layout correctly. Okay, so there's that one. Next, we have a 1930, also from Philadelphia, if the focus will. There we go. Okay, yes, beautiful wheat cent design. Oh my gosh. Camera. Focus. It's focused on the other coin somehow still. There we go. Okay. Yeah, beautiful 1930. Next, we have a 1945, also same year. Okay, nothing against wheat cents, but oh, whoa. Hold on, I'm going to look at this off camera real quick. I mean, I'm still here, but wow. That is in really good condition. Look at that, guys. Let's compare it just to the 1945. Okay, so first of all, this is the front compared to the front. Look at that difference. Then, if you flip it over, look at that. That's crazy. This is the 1952, this is the 1945. Yeah, that is extra fine. I mean, I don't know what the actual grade is, but that's really good. I was just about to bash wheat cents. Not bash them, but be like, let's move on to something better. And then that came across that. I was like, whoa, that's really cool. Okay, I think last penny. I don't know, I haven't looked. 1943 steel penny. Really cool penny. This is also in good condition compared to a lot of other wheat cents of steel that I've found. Okay, yeah. So, wow. These two especially are good. Really good. These three are still old wheat cents, but this one especially, wow, that's one of the best wheat cents I've ever found. Okay, next we have a 1936 Buffalo nickel. Very, 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 very hard to read date. That's almost, nah, you can still read it, but it's almost worn off. On the back, the beautiful Buffalo design. Put that right down there. Okay, let me organize. Come on. Okay, next we have a Barber nickel, 1912. It's not centered at all, but that's okay. V nickel. Really nice V on that right there. Well, if it wouldn't, there we go. Really nice V on the back. 1912. That's pretty old, guys. That's decently old. Next, we have another penny, but it's an Indian head penny from 1898. That's also really old. Wow. Beautiful design. This still looks relatively comparable to like this. I mean, at least for me, this Indian head looks in better condition. May just be because of what it's made out of. If it's not made out of the same thing. I can't remember what these things are made out of completely, but they definitely are made to last longer. Because coins today corrode so easily in comparison to like that. I mean, this was probably kept safe, but still, like even these circulated dimes, I mean, not dimes, nickels. This is a dime. That's why, because I looked at it and I was like, oh yeah, a dime. Nope. Those are not. Those are nickels. But this is a Mercury dime, 1941D. The mint mark there? Mint marks on these things are very weird. It like varies per coin. Where? Okay, yeah, it is right there. It's right. Come on. Come on. It's right there. Right there. The little dot, pretty much. Okay. So you have 1941 Mercury dime. Okay. I think I... Oh, wait. We still got more. I was about to, like, evaluate if it was worth it or not. But hold on. There's more. It's like those commercials about, like, pillows and stuff. And it's like, we'll give you a free mini pillow. These are, like, the free mini pillows, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I did pay for 38 coins. And this is, what? That's 9? So... Okay, so what do we got here? We have a 1941 D. Yeah, I always drop coins, at least one per video. 1954 D. Wait, no, sorry. 1941 S. Nothing too special. I'm not going to try to show them off that much. 1960 something. 1952 something. Okay. This is pretty much just filler items. These are the main ones. The main ones are always, at least most of the time, in the holders, but still it did come with it. This is just a bag of wheat cents. So, we'll see what this includes. Okay, I need a knife. Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay. There. There's like some tape or whatever. And okay, 12 wheat pennies. Wonder what date's there. Let's check. That was beautifully done. I just did this and it just all fell in line. Okay, I'm just going to read them off. Okay. 1926. 1953. On camera. 1951, 1945, 1949D, 1947, 1917, hold on, that's old, 1946 something, 1958, 1946, 1939, and 1953, so the oldest one out of that was this guy right here, 1917. Wow, that's really old. That's very old. That's insane. Okay, so I think I paid like, I didn't pay much for this at all, guys. It was like $10, $12, something like that, because I won a bid. So it was very cheap. So yeah, for 10, 12 bucks, I mean, normally they'd sell probably the, like, they would sell these 4 at the bottom at least, and then maybe include these 2 as extras for, like, I don't know. I would say maybe 9, and then you have some really old wheat cents, and then these wheat cents that are, I mean, at least worth something. I mean, they're worth more than a penny. So, but yeah, I mean, this is good for 12 bucks. It's a nice little starter collection if you're just wanting to get into it, or like if you're just wanting to get a couple of old coins just to kind of show off or use as like a typeset collection. This gives a steel cent, normal wheats, some Jefferson nickels that are pretty old, Mercury dime, Indian penny, barbered nickel, and buffalo nickel. So yeah, that gives you a nice variety. I thoroughly enjoyed this. It's really nice grab bag of 38 coins. I think the whole thing was 38. Yeah, 38 coins. That's pretty good for 12 bucks. That's like, yeah, that's really good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the seller in the description below, like I always do on these types of videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys know of any other type of grab bags like this that are decently inexpensive, go ahead and email me. At least I think you can do that. I think if you go to like my YouTube channel, and you know what, I'll just put the email down in the description below, or just leave like a comment. So yeah, either of those, do that. Definitely go check out my other coin videos, whether that be my roll hunting videos or more of these unboxing videos, which I'll be doing more, hopefully a lot more often and posting regularly. I know this the start of it's kind of been like a rough start type thing, but yeah, hopefully it'll be at least weekly, maybe more than that eventually, but for now, hopefully we're gonna aim for weekly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like the video, comment down below, just anything, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more of these types of videos and other types of videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day, and keep on collecting.